sembut Menteri Rangba akajela, buat prestun tensong haka ngipalay ulaong. Baka jela kan haban penduno ika Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act, nika MRSSA, lada ka Sarkar India, ka ajing menjur ban Penteri Kam, ya ka Inner Line Permit hajela. Katkum ka Jiong Jong-u, ka ILP kadai ka Bayasrim ya ka MRSSA, Amendment Bill 2020, bala menjur da ka Yingdor Bartawan ka jela, House Name baladap.
Namar ka lada kamdon haka teks jo ka akamot bunsin pinsna rule lenoi. Ka rule kam stan lada himdon daga ak. Nakadaw ka dehang tabong opingi don ka rule kan bahaka akam don. Tingingi realize na GMDE komen ngi ongkane ka kam ngaman hiam. Nakadaw ngi sa insert je ka clause badai bandon ka felicitation center. We call it felicitation center. Kalau sultanat ka gentin. Kamu in felicitate ye kini turis na kinu bawan. Kamu with registering themselves kay itu ki long more or less Dr. Mukul that time, in fact I don't know, he was the brain of that act, but ultimately he missed out. So we realized that without having a provision in the act of the entry point, then you cannot set up any check gate, any checkpoint. You cannot. It is outside the original act. That's why we did it from the government. We amended and we included that provision. Otherwise, I'm telling you, if you challenge in the court, then we are gone. The same way we are landed right now, just because of that. Because see that original act, the focus of that original act was only for the tenants. It's mainly on for the tenants. Nothing mentioned about the entry or the exit of people within or from outside the state. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Either way, means we need to implement government of India. If they say, okay, you implement, we have MRSSA, we will go accordingly. If they say, yes, you take ILP, you don't need this MRSSA, then we repeal it. We will just repeal it. Simple. No. In fact, if ILP is considered, because ILP is more or less similar to amended MRSSA. So the provision is more or less same. So we need to implement either one. MRSSA amended one or ILP. Yes. In fact, few queries they raised, we have already justified. See, the queries, their concern is why should you put in place restriction for the citizens of India to come in or come out of your state. So we already mentioned everything. You see, this provision is very, very good in terms of safety, in terms of knowing the details of each and every person. We know, and the moment you enter the state, since you register yourself, it is the duty of the state government to take care of them. Otherwise, right now, what happened? Some tourists came, and when they came, they was beaten up, maybe in rural area or anywhere. We don't know. Is it not? So these are the issue which we justify to the Home Ministry, that by having this provision, in fact, it will help both ways. Be it to the minority, people of Meghalaya, or be it people coming from outside the state, from outside Meghalaya, where the government knows exactly who are these people, they coming from where, are they here for business, are they here for official purposes, are they here for serving different activities in the state, like that. So this is what in fact we have justified to the Ministry of Home Affairs.